What's up, YouTube? Today I just wanted to hop on here to show you guys how to change your password on the Instagram mobile app. So once you have Instagram opened, you're going to hit your profile picture in the bottom right corner, and then hit the three lines in the top right corner, and then go to settings at the top of the page. From here, about 9 spots down, you should see the account button, and then right once you hit account at the top, you should see the password button, where you could then hit it, and then it's going to take you to this screen here, where you have to type in your old password, and then type in the new password, and then confirm the new password. Once you've done that, you're going to hit save in the upper right hand corner. It'll give you a little prompt to confirm that you want to change your password. And then once you get past that, your password should be changed. If you did find this tutorial useful though, please leave a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Thanks. And check out our other videos, linked in the description.